Hey y'all, just another quick video that I wanted to make on a little project that I did to make my life a little easier. If I don't know if you may or may not remember, I had problems with my battery isolator solenoid, so I put an on-off switch in between the alternator and the battery, or between the solenoid and the battery, since the solenoid I think failed. And this switch I put in was just dangling here. I just had it wasn't secure, so I decided to just go ahead and secure it here to this board. It's not in a very good location. I wish I could have it up front, but hopefully I won't be using it that much. I put this on, zip tied these on here so I don't lose the key. I do have a spare key in the glove box, but yeah, I usually just reach back here. It's usually sitting next to the toilet. The toilet usually sits right, actually I pull it back. It usually sits right there, and I just control it from back here whenever I need to. This always been keeping up, so I hopefully won't have to ever use this, only in extreme emergencies. So yeah, that's what I did. It's kind of close to the negative down here. I'm going to try to separate that. I don't think it'll be a problem, but just in case I want to separate those, put something between them, and I should be done and put everything back together. So thanks for watching. Hope if you like my videos, you subscribe. That would be great. So thanks for watching.